traders, new week, new opportunities, but also a critical shift. It is rollover week. I'll be closely monitoring volumes and adjusting my charts as we transition into the next contract, so stay sharp. So let's get into a recap of previous week. We had an early sell-off into new lows, which confirmed our bearish control with lower highs and lower lows. Aggressive selling swept liquidity near 5,500, then reversed at 5,557, which was the break of structure, triggering a strong bounce to the upside. So let's dive in. Okay guys, looking at our monthly volume profile, we see that we are one time framing down with the high at 6,000.50. We see this double distribution forming with the key level 5,662, September's value area low. Reclaiming this level could signal a value shift back into this value area. The value area low this month has shifted down 215 points, the POC dropped 146 points, and the monthly average is down 140 points. Let's zoom that in a little on a 10-day volume profile. We see we are also one time framing down with a high at 5,853.50, which is around last period's value area low 5,845 and January's value area low 5,869. Keep that in mind. We have closed the week inside this September's value area, but losing this level could target us to 5,498, which is August's POC. On the weekly volume profile, we see that we are also one time framing down with a high at, wait for it, 5,757.75. We have a B-shaped volume profile, which means a long liquidation is still in progress. Late buyers are getting trapped and forced to unwind, which means sustained selling pressure. Only a breakout above 5,650, which is this low volume node, would make me consider a shift towards bullish momentum. And on the daily candles, we see we are forming a 4-day balance between 5,675 and 5,509. So next week's focus will be, do sellers continue pushing lower or do buyers reclaim this low volume node and push us higher? On the 4-hour structure chart, we see that since March 6, ES has been in a clean downtrend with no major absorption. Buyers must reclaim the 5,650 level and the CPI high at 5,675 to shift the trend. Failure to do this will keep our next target at 5,509 and possibly much lower. Okay guys, so for a game plan going into next week, I will have my weekly line in the sand at 5,650. So bull should hold above this 5,650, fill in this poor structure and reclaim the weekly opening gap at 5,674. The bears have the plan to stay below this 5,650, underneath this value area, take out these lows and target 5,313, which is the next prominent low. So guys, this is rollover week. Adjust your charts accordingly. Meaning if you roll over, delete your old levels and search the structure for new ones. Pay close attention to volume because new contracts can bring unexpected moves. And as always, hit that notification bell because a more detailed day trading plan drops tomorrow before the open. Get this information in your inbox every day by subscribing to my newsletter and stay tuned.